Designed for discerning boating families who demand the very best, Cobalt's A-Series delivers unmatched elegance, luxury, and performance to create a truly peerless boating experience. And now the much-anticipated A29 not only delivers these same benchmark features, it has taken the A-Series styling to another level by delivering leading-edge innovations like the convenient Splash Stow system. At a mere push of a button, the inflatable is deployed, which eliminates the traditional way of transporting, deploying, and retrieval of heavy-duty yacht-style inflatables, leading to hours of enjoyment on the water. With features for everyone in the family, time on the water will be a time they'll never forget. Upholding the Cobalt legacy of performance and handling via an extended running surface that facilitates quicker planing, surer turns, and minimized bow rise, the A29 is exceptionally stable at high speeds, providing additional confidence for drivers and unmatched comfort for passengers. Built with Cobalt's extended running surface and a Kevlar-reinforced hull, the A29 is purposefully designed to deliver top-line handling, stability, and durability. The sleek windshield and integrated top design showcase a seamless, streamlined look. The A-Series is Cobalt's ultimate luxury offering, and the A29 doesn't disappoint in this area. From the cockpit to the day cabin to the bow lounges, the A29 includes a unique leather steering wheel and LED accent lighting, a combination designed to give any boater a day or night on the water to remember. A captain-focused helm offers the Cobalt glass cockpit with dual 10-inch or optional 12-inch Garmin touchscreen instrumentation, ergonomically positioned controls, and a rich double-stitched upholstered console. Another innovative feature of the A29 is the hydraulic swim platform, which lowers well below the water's surface for easy entry or exit. It functions as the perfect base for waterborne activity. Last but not least, the A29 has every amenity and creature comfort on the market, and then some. The day cabin features various head options, as well as a hidden sink with faucet and compressor-driven air conditioning options. Other features include a double-wide helm seat, wireless cell phone charging, spacious day cabin, port-side walk-through floor plan, and much more, making the A29 without peer among runabout boats. Bringing the whole family together on board your A29 will always be remembered as one of life's important moments. Design your dream A29 at cobaltboats.com.